Hello all and welcome to another video in my YouTube channel RKS EduTech. In this video I will share you the details of Graduates Associate program which is being offered by IBM. Before moving into the video, if you are new to my channel RKS EduTech, in my channel I will upload a series of videos on off-campus hirings and share my knowledge on Python through my videos. So to stay connected, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Moving on to details, IBM is offering graduate associate programs. They are offering some of the coolest technologies such as mainframe, Salesforce and SAP Minimo. When you get placed into IBM, to apply for this drive you just need to follow simple two steps, that is step 1 application, and in the step 2 you have to share your details. So let's move on to the step 1. So moving into step 1, they are offering a position of associate system engineer and your role will be associate system engineer. Here they have mentioned over here. I will share you the link in the description. You just go through what is IBM, what will be the scope once you join into IBM. Moving on to further details, they have mentioned over here the candidate must have a bachelor degree in BTech or BA or in MCA or in MTech or MA. And if you have any bachelor degree in this mentioned over streams, you can apply for this job. And moving to further details, here they have given the job location and lot more details. So the job location will be in Bangalore, the city in Karnataka, and your role will be application programmer. I think you will be placed in a developer role. Not sure, you will get to know once you join into IBM. And the employment type will be full-time employment and there is no travel required. We will move into next step. If you have any account previously that you have signed up, you can provide your email address over here and password over here and sign in. If you don't have any account, just click on don't have any account and get registered yourself. Moving on to the second step, that is sharing your details. You will be taken to this page and just click on register and provide your details over here. Here in the first name you just need to provide your surname, and in the last name provide your name that has been given to you and your personal email address and the preferred phone number. They are asking gender and the region you have located over here. Many of those have this doubt like what is IBM candidate reference number. Once you get registered into IBM, in the step 1 you will get an IBM reference ID to your mail. So that reference number you should provide over here, and your highest qualification details and your qualification degree details and your branch stream and here qualification percentage, or you can mention your GPA also. They are providing two options, your college name and college state and university name, your 12th standard details, your diploma details. If you have any diploma, give your diploma details, or you do not have any diploma, you can just mention no over here, and your 10th class registration number, that is SSC. If you have any active backload, you should mention over here. So please make sure that you do not have any backload before joining into IBM. If you have any backload, I think they might send you back. And if you have any work experience or if you have done any internships during your graduation, you can mention over here. This will add weightage during your interview. If you have any certification in any one of the technologies, you can mention the technology name over here and you can upload the certification. Before clicking on here, you just go through IBM privacy statement and click the checkbox over here, and please make sure that you read the standard IBM privacy statement before this clicking checkbox also. So that's it. If you once go through all the details that you have entered and just click on submit. After clicking on submit, done with application for this job. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts in any stage of the video, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply back to your queries. Before signing off, this is my new YouTube channel RKS EduTech. If in this channel I will upload a series of videos on hirings and share my knowledge on technologies and share my work experience in IT industry. To stay connected, do press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it too. So see you in my next video. See you. Bye bye.